Hey, how you doing? It's Jonathan. Doing a preview for one of my clients at his house out in Chesapeake. It's a detached house, about 1,450 square feet, 2-story, single car garage, and one smoke detector needs a battery. Nice little house. Like before, we're gonna turn around, start at the front door, and work our way through it. So let's go. Here we go, coming in the front door, looking in. Goes deep all the way through. Pretty nice. Closet. First floor half bath in purple. Steps going upstairs, going through here. This is the living room, dining room, all the same tile. Decent sized kitchen over here. Lots of room. Pantry in the corner there. Just turn around, take a look at the reverse way. Some little neat features they've added. These little nooks, there's one on each side. Previous owners put a pass-through in the wall so you can mount your TV and not see your wires. Need a little touch up there, no big deal, easy day. All right, we're gonna head into the garage from the kitchen. Plenty of room, look at that, upper storage. Has a AC in it, so you can come out here, do stuff, not get overheated, it's pretty nice. Next, you will be outside in the back. And we're back, we're stepping out the back door into the back. It's one of those neighborhoods where everything's relatively close together, but you still have room in the back. And a pull-up bar. Now we're gonna take ourselves upstairs. Unfortunately, the hallway light is out, but we hit the landing straight into a full bath. Rotate right, closet, washroom. And now the primary. Good sized room, has an ensuite. Decent sized closet, good sized bathroom. Only a shower though, but it's all right. Like I said, good size. As we're leaving the primary, 2 smaller rooms with fixtures. Good size closet. Head into the other one. This is a 3-2, 1. This one even has a bigger closet, it goes deep in. Yeah. And that's it for the house review. We had just finished the walkthrough. The house is pretty nice. It basically needs some refreshing on the paint. A couple of dings in the wall, no big deal. People lived here. It's in a lived-in condition. It's not a bad condition. A little bit of paint, a little bit of wall work, and new fire alarms would make it just fine. There's nothing wrong with this house. Like it. Hopefully my customers will like it.